Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to Senegal using the Remitly app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Remitly app, then go to the home page, and on the home page you just have to tap on the top of the screen where you have to type in the recipient country, in our case Senegal. And when it opens up, you just have to tap on the Get Started icon on the bottom of the screen, just here. And when you tap on it, you can add the amount of money that you would like to send. On the top, you're going to see your local currency, and below that, you can see the recipient country's currency in Senegal, the same amount. Then just tap on Continue to see the delivery methods that are available for Senegal. We have bank deposit, cash pickup, and mobile money. So just tap on bank deposit, or tap on the one that you prefer, but I will use bank deposit right now. And you are going to see some of the available options for banks. And these are some of the most popular banks in Senegal, but if you don't see the one that you prefer, just tap on choose another bank and you can use any bank as you wish. Then you have to use the IBAN or BBN code of your recipient. Now obviously I do not have a real IBAN code here, so I'm just going to try to use a fictional IBAN number. But if it doesn't work, it's okay, because after this there is only one more step, which is very easy. You have to provide your debit or credit card details, just like for a normal internet payment, and the Remitly app is going to charge your card and send that amount of money to your recipient's bank account. So that's pretty much it. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.